Immediately we were about to pay, guess what we saw?
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. See, I'm just sitting on the floor because today I don't even have strength like that. It's Friday. I'm starting this vlog on a Friday, so this is going to be like a weekend vlog. I've never done any of that in my life on this channel. So I didn't vlog during the week because I just didn't have the push, the drive to do that, because a lot of things happened this week. I had issues with my light on Sunday. Every other person in the compound had light, but I did not have. I had to fix that on Monday, and it took a lot of money from me. Then I had to service my generator. It's been a long time coming. I just had to service it. That took money from me too. And yeah, since then it's just been, I've not even been home. I just got back to this house because after everything I just left this place. And then yeah, I just got back. So today I'm going to the gym. I'm going to carry you guys along, and then we have like a girls hangout that we do every Friday or every other Friday. So we're doing it today. We're going to the pool today. We're just going to have some fun. That's just basically it. So yeah, I want to carry you guys along. And there's no light now. They took the light about 20 minutes ago. Our light has been good for the most part. It's been good. It's just when I had issues with my own light on Sunday. But then why can't we have constant lights in Nigeria? Because it's bad that we don't have constant lights in this country, and other African countries enjoy constant lights. So what is up with us? Anyway guys, I'm not here to talk about Nigeria and Nigeria's problems. It's not my business, it's not my concern. I don't want to relate to that at all. Let's go to the gym guys, and let's go to the pool. Have I said that? Yeah, I said we're going to the pool after the gym. Let's go. Hello, fine girl.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a
We just got to the pool place. Where are we going to change? Inside. No, I didn't enter the last time. This is quite big. Quite big. It's dirty. Don't they?
Have you found them? Who do we go to? It's not come and see it first, so it's not even
Thank you, our water is dirty. The water is dirty, so we're trying to find a way for them to clean it before we can use it. They should flush it and wash it and put another water. Guys, we couldn't use that place. That pool is so dirty, man. We couldn't. I can't even put my body in that place. So we're going somewhere else. Steph says she knows another pool, so we're going there now. Let's go. Hi guys. See, yesterday was a huge flop, and it was so funny because the five of us, I think we're five or six, maybe six girls. We were so energized. We were like, today we're going to swim, we're going to create content, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. Because two people have been out of the gym for about 2 months. So they came back and everybody was excited. And we're like, oh, let's go to the pool on Friday. Friday came. The first pool we went to, as you guys saw, was very, very dirty. Like, I don't even know why they don't maintain that place. It was very dirty, but it was so fine. We always like that place because it's private. You're the only ones there. But we couldn't use it. They were like, oh, they'll have to drain off the water, they'll wash the place, and then get more water. And it was going to take long. So, the whole thing just made us tired. Then we went to the second pool. I told you guys we were going to the second location. We got there. The pool was we really liked the pool because it was big. Everybody, it wasn't so private. But one person was swimming in the pool. Like, oh, there's one person in the pool, but we'll manage. We wanted the whole pool to ourselves. So it was time for us to pay. Immediately we were about to pay. Guess what we saw? Kids started coming to the pool. Like, I think they had like a training or a swimming class that time. They were like 10 kids. They were just walking. We're like, what's going on here? What's going on here? So like 10 to 15 kids come, and we're like, nah, we can't do this. We can't do this. We're not going to be in the same pool with these children. The whole purpose that we defeated, like, we will not be able to create our content, we will not have time for ourselves, we will not have fun, kids will be making noise. It was just a lot. So we just said, well, we'll try again next week Friday. So yeah, hopefully we're going to go to that first one I went to and they don't even fall our hand this time. Anyway, today I'm all dressed up. I'm going to the beach. I haven't been to the beach in a long time. Like, it's been a while though. I've been to the beach this year, I think like maybe just 3 times or so. And yeah, we're going to have a good time. The year is coming to an end, so everybody's winding down. And what better way to wind down than to have a good time, right? So I'm just wearing this kimono and shorts to the beach. I look so good. And yeah, because I'm going to the beach, I want to smell fresh. So I'm using this 2 perfumes. You guys already probably know this one. I'm not sure about this one. But yeah, I'm combining these 2 perfumes together. I'm already late, guys. I'm already late. I'm going with my friend Moyo. She's literally waiting for me. Then yeah, I don't know the name of the beach we're going to yet, but I'll definitely take you guys along. Anyway, this is my bag. I wish I had like a proper beach bag, but I actually have one, but it's in my parents' house. So anyway, this is what is in my bag. Sunscreen, because the sun out there is, you get what I mean. Then I have my lip gloss, I have my perfume oil, I just take my power bank and my cable and my phone, of course, and my card. That's all. Anyway guys, come and let us have a good time at the beach.
Plenty so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go?
Shout out Shina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. We got tell you. You are not my bitch. If you become, you shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want your life.
Saying 1.5. Me, I still go price them.
1.5 for one. Hey.
Yeah, I go price them.
You know, be 600. Everything 1.5.
Let's do what you know.